Hi folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to get awesome oscillator values in Google Sheets. What is awesome oscillator? It is a momentum indicator which helps to find bullish and bearish momentum in a stock or index and potential trend reversals. It is calculated by subtracting 5-day moving average from 34-day moving average. Unlike moving averages, which takes close price for a calculation, Awesome Oscillator takes average of high and low prices for 5 and 34 days. Okay, and what is the formula for calculating it? First, we need to calculate 5-day average of high and low price, that is 5-day high plus 5-day low divided by 2. And second, we need to calculate 34-day average of high and low price, that is 34-day high plus 34-day low divided by 2. And finally we need to subtract the 5-day average of high and low price from 34-day average of high and low price to get the awesome oscillator values. Okay, so I believe both the slides are straightforward and easy to understand. Now let's get to the Google Sheets. And so here I have taken Nifty 50 stocks for this video. Let me produce rows and columns. Okay, so these are the Nifty 50 stocks. So what we do is first step, how to get, first we need to get the 5-day average of high and low price of a stock. How do we get for this? First we need to get the last 5 days high or low price. Okay, so what we do is we will first type this formula on the extreme right side. Input is equal to and change the date type. So we got the high 5 days. How many days? Yeah, count 5. Okay, this is how we need to get. So if you look into this formula, I have put minus 5 here. Okay, so every day we need to check if minus 5 is returning the last 5 days high or low price. Okay, for computing the awesome oscillator. If minus 5 is not returning the 5 days, sometimes it will return only 4 days, especially when there are any public holidays. Okay, so we need to change it to minus 6 or minus 7, like that. Okay, and update that formula, this minus 5 or minus 6, and update the formula in the main column. Update in the main column. Okay, in column B. So this is the main formula. I will take 5-day average of high and low. Okay, so I'll go to the main formula here. Just take a screenshot and you got it. So here, like I said here, I have put 5 days minus 5 to get last 5 days here. Okay, So sometimes if there are any festival holidays in between, it will minus five will throw only 4 days. For that, in that case, we need to change it to -6 or -7 to get the 5 days. Okay. So in the main formula, there are two types. We need to, like I said, we need to get the high and low value. Here, calculate 5 day average of high and low. Okay, 5 day high plus 5 day low by 2, which means here I have put -5 for the high. Okay, here -5, and again here also for low also I have put -5. Okay, if -5 is not returning 5 days here, you need to change to -6 or -7 here in both for high and low. Here you need to change, and here also you need to change. Okay, in the formula, like I should. Here you need to change, and here also you need to change -5 to -6 or -7. Okay, so this is for 5 days. Now column C, 30. Now here I write for column C, 34-day average of high and low. So how do you get 34-day average of high and low price of a stock? For this we need to see, first we need to get the last 34 days. Okay. So what I'll do is here, that formula. It is the same formula like here. So here I have put the -5, and here I have put -37. Okay, so I don't copy it, I'll just change the number. -37, I'll put I'll change the format. So we need to see it is returning 34 days high price. Count 34. Count 34. Which means we got 34 days. Values for 34 days high price. Okay. So here also I have put -37. Sometimes -37 might return only 33 or 32 days, especially if there are any public holidays. Or it might even return 36, 35 or 36 days. So this -37 is not constant. You need to check every day. Okay, first you put -37. If it is returning 34 days, then that's fine. If it is not, you need to change it to -34, -35, 36, like that. Okay, to get the 34 days high or low price and update it accordingly in the main formula in column C. So here, this is the main formula I'm going to write in column C and copy paste. So here also for high I have put -37, and for low also I have put -37. You need to check 37 returning 34 days, fine. If it is returning 35 or 36 days, you need to reduce it by 36 or 35 or 34 length. Okay. And if 30 -37 is not returning 34 days, it is returning only 33 or 32, you can increase it by -38, 39, so on and so forth. Output is equal to, okay. So now we'll go to awesome oscillator values in column B and let AO value. It is 5-day average minus 34 B minus C. Okay. So finally we got the awesome oscillator value, but we will cross check whether values which we got are correct. Okay, for Nifty, so now we will check whether the values which we got are correct or not. So I'll go to a website called investing and that let's say what is the first one? Adani Enterprises. Um, I will hit chart. I will hit one day. Adani Enterprises. I will go to awesome oscillator. Yeah. So this is a awesome oscillator. This is a daily chart. And what is awesome oscillator value? It is minus 75.12. So this is the daily chart, same day. Here you can see minus 75.1153, even close to minus 75.12. Okay. Here it is. Here there are two decimals. Here there are four decimals, but otherwise more or less it's close. It's same 75.1153 something. Here 75.12. Okay. Now we will see Adani ports. Adani ports. What is showing? Here my 43.29 something. 43.29. Okay. 43.29. Here also 43.29 something. This is four decimals. Here it is two decimals. We can also take four decimals here, but I generally take only two decimals. Now Apollo Hospital, Asian Paint, we'll see Axis Bank. Just cross checking whether formula is giving correct values. Here minus 18.5474. value minus 18.55. Okay, minus 18.5474. So minus 18, sorry, it's not minus, it is plus 18.5474, 18.55. So it is correct. Here it is 4 decimals, here is 2 decimals. So what do I check again? I'll go to Cipla. Cipla. What is the value? It is minus. It is in minus. Okay, we will see. 21 minus 21. 20 minus 20.9974. It is almost 21. Okay. Here it is decimals. I have taken 2 decimals. Here decimals. There are 4 decimals. So, but minus 20.9974. It is almost close to 21. Now we'll say Coal India. 3.34 minus. Let's see. Yeah, minus 3.3369 something, minus 3.34, almost 99.999% correct. We will go down and we'll see Kotak Bank minus 33.69. We'll see. Here minus 33 point something, minus 33.69, 33 point almost. You can see value here. You can also see value somewhere here also. Minus 33.6694. Okay, here you can see, here also you can see. Yes. Now I'll go to SBIL randomly 49.35. We'll see. Yeah, 49.3450 something. 49.3450. Here also you can see Awesome Oscillator indicator 49.3450. 49.35. What else? We'll check one last. Wipro 0.34. Yeah, 0.3407. 0.3407 here. You also can check 0.3407 here. 0.34 means the formula is working and we are getting the correct values. Okay, so this is how we can get awesome oscillator values in Google Sheets. Okay, you can take screenshots of the formulas and do it yourself. And again, a disclaimer: this is only for information and knowledge sharing, not for advisory. Okay. And if you like my video, found it informative, you can subscribe, like, comment, and share with others. Thank you so much.